Hi, this is Julie Hunefeld. I'm the Program and Event Facilitator for Harvest Graden, a youth gardening program that takes place in 16 different Chicago parks. I'm also a parent, and today we're going to do another activity that you can do with your family, and it's going on a seed hunt in your house and maybe a little bit outside too. This is an activity that you can do on a couple different levels, and it can be done in one day or it can take place over a longer period of time. So it's a great time to really encourage exploration and really going down the rabbit hole. And what we're gonna start out with on the first level is just going on a seed hunt through your crisper drawer, through your pantry, through your fruit bowl, and maybe outdoors. What can you find that has seeds or is a seed? Maybe during lunchtime, dissect some fruit looking for seeds or some veggies that you can dip, like cucumbers or peppers, and take a close look at their seeds. Then check out your pantry. Maybe you can find some sesame
seeds,
or sunflower
seeds,
or chia.
seeds.
One surprising seed you may find and not know is a seed is popcorn. When you're out on a walk, you could also look for seeds. Maybe a tree dropped a seed pod or a flowering plant still has seeds from last growing season. See how many seeds you can collect. Now for a deeper dive. My daughter started experimenting with growing lots of discovered seeds. This took a lot of YouTube how-to videos on their part, some containers, some potting soil. We have a grow light, but you can also use a really sunny windowsill if you have one. The hardest part on the parenting side was to hold my tongue rather than giving advice. So practice saying, "Sure, go ahead, let's try it," and see what happens.
Welcome to our garden. Right here, we twisted off the top of a pineapple and let it grow. In these 5 pots are black locust trees. You can find the seeds in these pods at the park. And these 2 here are chia seeds and wheatgrass seeds. This is an avocado. This is a chestnut. In here, we have a lemon tree and tomatoes.
Thank you for sharing a nature moment with us. If you enjoyed this activity and are looking for more things to do while at home, stay connected and check out more fun activities with my colleagues on YouTube and at www.chicagoparkdistrict.com.